Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Create Knowledge. In today's video, I will show you how to configure MySQL connector jar file in Eclipse IDE for programming Java JDBC program. For getting MySQL connector jar file, you have to download it from the official website of MySQL. Now I am going to open official website of MySQL and now go to Google Chrome browser and you write here download MySQL connector, and this is the official website of MySQL. Click here, you see download connector /J is jar MySQL. Now I'll click on download connector, and here you see select operating system. Now click here platform independent. Now I am going for platform independent. Now here see there are two options there. One is compressed tar archive, another is zip archive. So now I'll go for zip archive. Zip archive, the version is 8.0.32. In my previous video I told you how to install MySQL in your PC, and that version also 8.0.32. This is the same version 8.0.32. If you not see my previous video, I'll give the link in my description box. Please watch my previous video also. That will help you to understand this video. Please watch my previous video. Now I am going to download zip archive. Now here it asking login or sign up, but I'll not go for login or sign up. No thanks, just start my download. Now see, it is going to download in my download file. So I save it. Now it is downloading. Now you see download is completed. So now I close this window and I'll go to my download file. Go to my download file. This is my download file. Here you see MySQL connector jar 8.0.32. I'll extract the zip. This is the zip file. I am extracting this zip file. Extract here. I am extracting here. Now my zip file is extracted. And now click on my extracted file. And you see MySQL connector J 8.0.32. So what I am doing it, this extracted file I am copy and paste in my desktop. So right click here, copy it and paste it in my desktop. Okay, you see this is MySQL connector jar 8.0.32. Now I am going to open Eclipse IDE. This is my Eclipse IDE. Here I have to make a Java file. For making Java file, you in right side you see open perspective. On open perspective and click on Java and then open. Now you go to file and click on new, click on Java project. Now you give the project name. I am giving the project name as demo JDBC. Demo JDBC and then finish. This Java demo JDBC file is created here. So you click on, now I have to configure that MySQL connector jar. So I have to click on demo JDBC. You right click here and go to build path and configure build path. And you click on module path. When you click on module path, you can see the add external jars. So I'll click add external jar and I go to my desktop. Because my desktop it is there. You see, this is my SQL connector J8.0.32. Double click it and you see one jar file is there. Here also Java sign is there. So I have to select this file. Select this file and open. Now see, it is showing here. Now you apply and close. Now when you go to reference library, you can see that jar file which you have just configured. You have configured this MySQL connector jar 8.0.32. Okay, now my jar file is successfully configured with my Eclipse IDE. Now I have to make a Java JDBC program. So I will create a class file. Now I am going to create a class file in SRC. Right click here, new class, create Java class, enter, double click here, and here you give the package name com.gopal. Now I am giving the project name MySQL _ insert. Okay. Now I have required the main method. Main method is public static void main. Or I'll tick here and then go to finish. MySQL _ insert.java. This Java class file and my package name is com.gopal and main method is there. I am going to write a JDBC program. In this JDBC program, I will take input from user. That's why I have to write scanner class. Now I will take the input from user. Scanner sc is equal to new scanner system.in. Here you have to write scanner sc is equal to new scanner system.in. Now you see you are getting the two error because you have to import scanner class. Now click here. Now I have to import scanner class. Click on import scanner java.util. Click here. Now import java util scanner. Now you see the error has removed. Now I will write system.out.print enter roll number. Because I am taking input from user, so I have to write it. Here you write system.out.print enter roll number. And roll is integer type. So I take int roll sc.next int. Now I will take name. Now again I have to write system.out.print. Write it, just copy it, paste system.out.print enter name, and this will be string name is equal to sc.next. Again I will take input for gender and copy it and paste here, and you write gender. You change the string gender. Now I will take address. I will write here address, and you change the address. Next I will take mobile number. Enter mobile. Enter mobile. And you write mobile. Okay. Now I am taking 5 input from user. Now I have to make a database in MySQL, so that from here I will put the data on my database MySQL. So now I am going to MySQL Workbench, because Workbench is easy to write. Open MySQL Workbench. Now I am minimizing this window, going to open Workbench. You see this is MySQL Workbench. I will double click here. Now my Workbench is open, and click here, and I have to put the password. My password is admin. Okay, So now I'm going to create a database. You click here, create a new schema. Now I'm giving my new database is demo data and apply. Now this is my database. Then OK. Now create schema demo data. OK, apply and finish. You see, one database is created, demo data. Inside demo data, I will create a table. I will give the name. That table is data. Create a table. Now I am giving the name of this table is data. And you have to click here. You have to click this arrow sign. Now I am just going to make a column. First column I am taking role. Role as I have mentioned in my Eclipse program, JDBC program. I am taking the 5 input: role, name, gender, address, mobile. So I will take role. It will be integer type, primary key, and it is not null. Next I am taking name. I write here name. It is varchar type. Varchar is string. Varchar in MySQL it called varchar. It is actually defined as string. So varchar 45. Okay. And next one is gender. It is varchar also. Now I am taking 10 character, and then address 45, and next, this is mobile. So you have to write mobile, and it character will be. I am taking varchar, so I am writing 15. Okay. So I am taking role, name, gender, address, mobile. As I mentioned here, role, name, gender, address, mobile. Okay. Now I'll go it for apply. Now you see the database table is this: role, name, gender, address, mobile. Primary key is roll number. Then apply. Then finish. Now you see your table. You click on table and data, and show the data. Click here. Now I have created role, name, gender, address, and mobile, but the data are null because nil data. There is no data here. So I have to put data in JDBC through the JDBC program in Eclipse IDE. And you see going to Eclipse. Now here I have to put try and catch. For establishing connection of MySQL database, there are 5 steps you have to remember, and you have to put try and catch for avoiding exception. So before establishing the connection, I am going to write try and catch. And inside the catch, I am write exception. E for handling the exception. Now within this try block, I will have to establish the JDBC connection. So there are 5 steps in JDBC connection. First, you have to load driver class. You have to load the driver class. For this, you have to write. Now, first step is load driver class. First step is load driver class. For loading a driver class, you have to write class.forName com.mysql JDBC driver. This is the driver of MySQL JDBC. And step number 2 is create connection. Step number 2 is create connection. Create connection. You have to write connection.con, connection.connection.con exclude driver manager dot get connection and JDBC link you have to write. JDBC colon MySQL colon / localhost MySQL port number is 3306. Root is the default ID and my password is admin. You have to write your password. My password is admin. Okay, now I have create the connection. Now you see here there are two errors there. Connection error and driver manager error. This error is coming because I have to import connection and driver manager. So first I am going to import connection. Import connection. You see import connection java.sql. Click here. Now java.sql.connection is imported. Now I have to import driver manager also. Import driver manager java.sql. And you see driver manager is imported. Now these two errors is removed. Now third step is prepare SQL query. My third step is so how to prepare SQL query. Then you have to write first prepare statement PS is equal to con dot prepare statement and insert the value into my table. So now before that I have to write something here. I have to write here database name. My database name, because I forget to write database name. You have to write the database name. My database name is demo data. So here you have to write JDBC colon MySQL colon / localhost colon 3306 / you have to write your database. My database is demo data. You see, demo data is my database, data is my table. Here you write demo data. And here you have to write prepare statement PS con dot prepare statement insert into your table name is demo. Sorry, your table name is data. Data is table name. Again you check it. Data is table name. And you have to write data and values. Here you see one error is showing. Here you have to import the prepared statement. Import prepared statement. Now you see prepared statement is imported. Now this error also removed. Here the values. Here why I write this 5 question mark. This question mark is there. You see here I have put the 5 question mark. This 5 question mark is indicate the 5 value which I am going to take input from user. 5 value means roll. This is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is there, so I am put the 5 question mark. And I have to pass ps.setInt. I have to pass ps.setInt. Now this is a 1. 1 is roll. 1 is roll. This is 2. 2 is name. 3 is gender. 4 is address. 5 is mobile. So I have write 1 comma roll, 2 comma name, 3rd comma gender, 4th comma address, and 5th in mobile. So I have write the prepared SQL query. Now 4th step is how to fire SQL query. You write here step number 4 is fire SQL query. Here I am taking variable z. If and else I use here. I will use if and else. Now why I will use if and else? You see, if the value of Z is bigger than 0, then your record will be saved successfully. Record saved successfully. If it is less than 0, then record is not saved. And fifth step is you have to close the connection. Fifth step is close the connection, because we have to close the MySQL connection. That's why I have to write close dot connection. What you write? Con dot close. Con dot close. Con dot close and put the semicolon here. Okay. Now I have established the connection of MySQL with Java JDBC program. Now I have to run the program and see the result. And here also you can write, if you got any exception, then it will give the reason of exception. So here you write system.out.print. Here you write, if you got any exception, this message will come to you. The system.out.print ln E. This exception is E is coming. So now I am going to save the program. Now I am going to save this program. Save the program. And I am going to run this program. Run as Java application. Now it is asking roll number. As I have shown you earlier. You see here it is asking the roll number. And I am giving the roll number is 101. And enter. Now it is asking the name. I am giving the name is Shivani. Shivani. And gender female. Enter. Address Kanpur. And mobile 1122334455. Okay, now enter. And you see record saved successfully. Now I am going to see whether the record is saved or not. Going to and here you refresh my SQL Workbench. And you see record is inserted. 101 Shivani female Kanpur and mobile number is there. Now one more data I am going to insert. Again I run it. Again you run this program. Run a Java application. Now enter the roll number 102. Name I am giving Rohan. Rohan. And gender male. And address Lucknow. Mobile number 33224455. Now record is saved successfully. And go and check it and refresh it. Now I see Rohan, male, Lucknow, mobile number. One more data I am going to insert and run the program. Run as Java application. And again I am giving the roll number in 103 and Monica, female, address Kanpur. And mobile number 44556688. Enter. Record is saved successfully. What you see here I have record successfully. If record is successfully, then it is give you the message of record successfully. If it is not successfully, then it mentions that record is not saved. If any exception is there, it shows the exception also. So we have successfully installed MySQL connector in Eclipse IDE in JDBC program. One more I am just going to see. One more data I am just going to insert. Now I am going to give it the name 104. Name is Sudhir. Sudhir. Male. Address Dhanbad. Mobile number 77889933. Record saved successfully. And you see, just refresh it. On data, this column is click here refresh. So Sudhir, mail Dhanbad, number is there. That's all for my today's video. I hope this video will help you to configure MySQL connector jar with Eclipse IDE, and also you learn how to write JDBC program Eclipse IDE with MySQL database. If you have any query, please write in comment box. Definitely I will reply you. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for further notification. You have not subscribed my channel, please do subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching my video.